Rolling.
Videos. eBay crap.
eBay crap.
That wasn't eBay crap.
That's work.
That's work. Not eBay crap. This is eBay crap. What do you think it is? Doesn't bounce very well.
I'm guessing a motor part.
Well, it's heavy. I don't think it's heavy enough to be a cylinder, but something with some mass to it. Do not
Oh, not
drop.
popcorn.
Do not drop. I didn't do that, did I?
You want a bag?
No.
I'll go with cylinder head.
Yeah, it looks like a cylinder.
Ooh, got one.
It's got the shape of a cylinder.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, I think that's a cylinder. I'm pretty sure that's a cylinder. I don't like that nasty popcorn in there.
Nice packing, though. Thank you.
We got here undamaged. Between me and the UPS guy dropping it 5 times. But it's messy. What kind of cylinder is that?
Says 619 on it. That's San Diego.
It's a big twin cylinder.
It's huge.
We went through that one last night. You're trying to figure out what a big twin and small twin was.
Yeah.
And I don't know, you're all stuck on something else too. I don't know what it was.
Single and double.
It's well packed.
Wow.
See, that doesn't work very good. See, there's no protection. It breaks. Bubble wrap is terrible. It offers almost no protection because the bubble is broken. Do you hear any bubbles in there?
Not now.
Solid.
It did its job on the way here.
That did the job, and that did the job. This here, not so much. This you want to use that clothespin swollen stick. Yeah, I sharpened that once. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, this is a panhead cylinder with a dash 57, so it's a sportster cylinder. The part number?
Yep.
So this is supposed to be in the left cylinder. You know what that means?
No.
New old stock. Otherwise known as brand new Harley crap. Being a 900 Sports, that'd be pretty rare. Appears to be a front cylinder because it has a notch right here. Push rods are on the right. That's exhaust pipe.
Right.
Rear one be on this side. This is front. It's new. It's still got the original bore with a aged finish in there.
That's beautiful.
You can see no rust and good machine surfaces. Appear to have all the fins on it. That is a new cylinder from Harley. That's nice.
From Harley?
Yep, genuine Harley. Date codes and part numbers are in there. All kinds of good crap. Oh,
Howdy.
secret people in here. All right, leave that.